Unit 1, Part A, Activity 2A. Listening. Who is talking? Write their names in your notebook.
Hi, I'm 16 years old. I'm not really good at playing chess. I'm in grade 11. I'm British, but I live in Siem Reap. I've got curly blonde hair. I'm taller than my best friend, but he is much better at school than me. I love eating hamburgers and French fries, but I hate vegetables. My favourite subject is geography. I like learning about the world. In the future, I want to be a teacher, just like my mum. Oh, and my favourite sport? Of course, it's football. Who doesn't like football? I'm really good at it too. Can you guess who I am? That's right. I'm Tim.
Hello, I'm 18 years old, and I'm Gosal's elder sister. I live in Siem Reap too. I like going out for a walk with my friends, but I hate doing my homework. I get a lot of homework every day. 2 hours isn't enough to do all of it. I'm good at playing chess, just like my brother, and I love maths too. Maths is my favorite subject, but I'm not good at physics. I get up early every day at 6 o'clock. I like my school because I have many friends there. My best friend is Bisay, and we like the same things. I've got long black hair, and my mother has a shop at our local market. That's right, I'm Jenny.
Unit 1, Part B, Activity 5B. Listen and check.
Sleeps. Works. Plays. Remembers. Drives. Sings. Enjoys. Brushes. Watches. Catches.